If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Unboxing Amazon Basics Wireless Bluetooth Fitness Headphones. Hi, after my new Beats Flex wireless earphones died in about 2 months after purchase, I decided to try these Amazon Basics Wireless Bluetooth Fitness Headphones in blue. These headphones cost about half the price of the new Flex Beats headphones. The cable is shorter compared to the Beats and it seems and feels fragile compared to the new Flex Beats. On the other hand, these have wireless Bluetooth 4.1. The connection range is long, about the same as the new Flex Beats. The battery life is slightly shorter, but still a solid 10-hour with is very good. They fit nicely and comfortably in my ears, and the fact that they are connected to each other makes them hard to lose. Compared to AirPods, it only takes 2 hours to fully recharge, just like the new Beats Flex. Pairing was not a problem, it's simple like most Bluetooth headphones. These headphones are sweat-proof, which I think they will last longer, but I will keep you updated on that. There is a 1-year Amazon warranty, which I am very confident that if anything goes wrong, Amazon will honor their commitment. What I really like is the case. I seriously find the case very handy and useful. The sound quality is surprisingly good. They do not sound like cheap headphones, and the noise cancellation is also good. Frankly, these headphones sound far better than expected, almost as good as the new Flex Beats, and I think they have a bit better noise cancellation. At the price I paid, I think they are worth the risk. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.